Hi, this is Jewel Ann Lieberman reporting once again from Assistive Technology Industry Association Conference in Orlando, Florida. And I've been walking through the exhibit hall, and one of the most exciting features that I've come across is the new improvements to ZoomText version 10. And I have a representative from AI Squared, and I'm going to have him introduce himself and tell you all about the new improvements and advancements that have taken place, and maybe mention some features that are coming up in plans for further upgrades in ZoomText. So I'm going to turn the microphone over.
Hi, my name is Derek Bovey, and I work as a product specialist at AI Squared in our sales and marketing departments. ZoomText 10 has a number of new features that we're very excited about. First and foremost is the ZoomText camera feature, which allows you to use any high-definition webcam to view printed material right on your computer screen. The ZoomText camera is a great, affordable, and portable CCTV alternative. AI Squared is selling an official camera and stand bundle for $149. So it's a great package that allows you to read your bills or anything you get in the mail at home on your computer or even on your laptop if you're on the go. The whole package weighs less than 3 pounds. So it's a great solution and alternative for people that just don't have the room for a traditional CCTV. Along with that, we've introduced a number of different tools for our reading features in ZoomText, including the background reader, which allows you to multitask. You can listen to text while you're performing other tasks, like checking your email or surfing the web. So traditionally with ZoomText reading tools, you couldn't do anything while you were listening to your content being read, but background reader allows you to multitask while you're listening to something. ZoomText recorder allows you to convert text to an audio file. You can easily import that audio file into iTunes or Windows Media Player to very easily sync it to a mobile device like an iPhone or an iPod. So you can take any of your emails or documents and listen to them on the go by converting them to an audio file just right through ZoomText. Along with that, we've also revamped our Web Finder tool to allow you to easily navigate and search for content on the web. So you can quickly search for something, navigate through the results, or fine-tune it by web page element type, such as headings, links, images, tables, lists, forms, or controls. So giving you a lot more control over the content that you're searching for on the web. And finally, on ZoomText 10, you'll notice that there is a heading for a feature called Image Reader. Image Reader is a forthcoming companion product for ZoomText that will come with a document camera and OCR software package to allow you to take a picture of printed material and have it read on screen. So that's going to be released sometime later this year, still in development, but that product will be available sometime in the next 3 to 4 months. So that's what's new at AI Squared. Again, we have a lot of exciting things going on with ZoomText 10, and happy to share it with folks here at the show.
Well, I happened to have sat in on a wonderful presentation that Derek was involved with, as well as presented by Scott Moore, and learned a lot of great things. One of the interesting things that I observed with the record feature that you mentioned, you can save it as an MP3 file, and as you mentioned, you can then send it to a lot of the iDevices. For clarification purposes, many of us use these digital talking book players. Since you can save it as an MP3 file, does that mean you can then transfer it then to these portable devices as well, Derek?
Yep, that's correct. You can very easily sync it to a device like the Victor Reader or Plex Talk, for example. You can save the file out to any location on your computer as a WAV or Windows Media Audio file. If you choose to export directly to iTunes, it'll automatically get converted to an MP3. They have a built-in MP3 encoder, so you can do it that way. Otherwise, just save it out as a WAV file and then sync it through the software provided with your audio player.
That's a terrific alternative. If you think about it, for all the times that we get varieties of files that we've read or again just get sent to us and we don't have time to sit at our computers, this allows us that portable access using the familiar voices that we're used to listening to with again, the quality speech with the NeoSpeak options that you have in AI Squared. As Scott liked to mention yesterday when I was in the workshop, I'm a veteran user of ZoomText products. I started using ZoomText in 1997, so I can honestly say I'm a loyal fan and follower of the product, and I appreciate you taking the time to away from the vendor booth here to share these thoughts with us. And for more information, you can visit their website. They have a great deal of information there about what's new with this product. Also, all the information about to download a free trial version of it for 60 days. It's well worth the investment of time to give it a try. Their website is www.aisquared.com. And again, once again, Derek, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Excellent. Did it in one take.